Design collaboration doesn't have to be complicated. With cloud services and SOLIDWORKS Design, you can connect your team, your data, and your ideas seamlessly. It's a modern way to keep your projects moving forward with confidence, all while ensuring your design data stays secure and accessible. Sharing your designs is easy. With no viewers to download or install, simply share a secure browser link to anyone you choose. Markups, annotations, and dimensions can be added, and comments capture the context so you never lose track. Best of all the feedback is easily accessible right in SOLIDWORKS Design. Ready for online storage that's purpose-built for your SOLIDWORKS Design data? Cloud Services helps streamline everyday file management tasks with powerful visibility to your design references, easy organization of your data, and intuitive collaboration, ensuring no one overwrites your work. Use the built-in revision management to capture design changes and explore new options with branching and merging. Saving new revisions automatically updates the revision table on your drawings, ensuring your documentation is always accurate. And accessing the previous revision is just a click away. When you're ready to formalize your processes, leverage cloud services to better visualize where design issues are and who reported them. And when it's time for structured management of the design change, work on change actions right in SOLIDWORKS Design. Once updates are complete, notifications happen automatically, and digital sign-offs ensure full traceability without endless emails. From quick markups to structured change management, Cloud Services streamlines every step so your team can focus on innovation. Start working smarter today and let Cloud Services keep your designs organized, connected, and ready for what's next.